Okay, guys, so today we focus only on Linux because I wanted to go deep, take our time, and show everything properly without rushing. For Windows and Cisco switches, things works a little differently. Windows doesn't have syslog built in, so we need to install an agent like nxlog or winlogbit to forward the event logs to our rsyslog server. Cisco switches are configured with just a few simple commands like logging host and logging trap. We will cover the full installation and configuration detail for both of these in the next videos because each one deserves its own proper part and I don't want this video to become too long. If you are waiting for Windows and Cisco switches parts, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss the next episode. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment. I will definitely reply. On the server side, I prepare a text file as usual to copy and paste most of commands to operate easier. After installation Kafka, as you can see in the video, we are going to check it's working and it's running or not. So we should create topic Kafka after checking. So um, we can do it with the following commands. If there is more than one topic, we can use the same command with a different name. Dot slash bin slash Kafka dash topic dot sh dash dash create dash dash bootstrap dash server localhost colon 1992 dash dash topic name. For instance, copy and paste the next command on the command line for our Linux machine that we are going to get its log. Then we need to install rsyslog on the same or other machine. It's recommended to install it on the separate machine. However, there is no any critical issue if it's on the same machine. Before installing, check the service first because in new version of majority of Linux distributions, it's installed automatically. Then if it exists, no need to install, and you can go the another section and jump to the next configuration. Check it by this command, sudo systemctl status rsyslog. If it's running, as you can see in the video, okay, it's you can go on and there's no install rsyslog over there. If no, you can install it with this command, sudo apt update and then sudo apt install -y rsyslog-kafka. Note, if rsyslog-kafka package not found, add official repository for it. Sudo add -apt repository ppa colon addiscon /v8 stable -y and then sudo apt update. To check it works or not, we can use this command. As you know, sudo systemctl status rsyslog. We must edit and config rsyslog.conf to get logs. Otherwise, logs will not be received by the log server from machine or device by log server. Sudo nano /etc/rsyslog.conf and uncomment these lines as you can see in the video. The first one is a port number 514 for UDP and the next one 514 for TCP. In the meantime, we have to check opening the port number 514 because if it's not open, the logs file will not be sent to the log server. Use this command ss for check it. ss-l ntup pipeline grep 514. If it's open, it's fine. If not, open it by ufw command. UFW service, UFW, we can use the sudo UFW allows 514/TCP and the next one 514/UDP, and then sudo UFW reload. UDP protocol unreliable but faster than TCP, as you know. Prefer uncomment both of them. Note, one few old version of OS, there's no syslog-kafka package. So we have to use new version or create new repository for this scenario. Anyhow, we should check OM Kafka is loaded first. OM Kafka meaning output module for Kafka. First, check version after installation with the rsyslog d-v. The output must be greater than 8.2000. Our output is for the rsyslog d is the 8.2312.0. See www.rsyslog.conf for more information. Then restart the rsyslog service with the sudo systemctl restart rsyslog. We continue by editing rsyslog.conf file and add these commands to get log of the mentioned machine or devices or servers that send log to log server. Sudo nano /etc/rsyslog.conf. This configuration file for a Linux machine that we are going to talk about it. Copy and paste these commands, as you can see in the video, to rsyslog.conf. So let me explain a bit about what it is meaning, because most of them may be vague for someone. After if command, we use from host-ip is equal by the symbol equal. That means it is equal or not, and then the target device IP address inside single quotation. We use then in the end of if command, and in the next line start with the action. Here we announce about type of output that you can find. So it is output module Kafka. Abbreviation is OM Kafka. Topic shows the name of the machine that and the file for it that we created before already. Broker is depend about Kafka machine that receive data. It is located. It is a local host here on default port number 1992. It means data is on the current machine will get data, log via default port 1992. The template parameter value is equal rsyslog underline syslog123 format. This is default that is available in syslog that create log based on RFC 5424 standard. The last one is action command that has type of file that is abbreviation of output module file that is the save in the path-var/log of target machine. We can add another action for creating backup file in other path after last action. Anyhow, we create all needed file for get log here. in this file, and then we restart all services. For sure, everything is running, and there's no any problem for running this server system like the RSS log and Kafka and the Zookeeper. Now it's time to check works property by sending a message to log server. Use this command or the next one. On the client side, we can use the sudo apt update, sudo apt install -rss log for creating RSS log or sending. And we edit one of this file, but the first one is, the common file everywhere, /etc/rss-log.conf or /etc/rss-log.d/client.conf, and add these two files, as you can see in the video, in the end of file. Then use this command to start service and check it running. Sudo systemctl restore RSS log and sudo systemctl status restart RSS log and status RSS log. And let's know the meaning of symbol @ UDP, double @ TCP, IP is the log server IP address, and port number is the 514. As I mentioned before, TCP reliable and UDP faster. IP is for the log server, as I mentioned. Sudo system restart RSS log and sudo systemctl status RSS log to check the RSS log is running or not. For sure, the system works properly. Check on the server side by this command. Copy and paste this logger-t to send this message, and then check the working properly by sudo tail-n40 /var/log/syslog or sudo tail-f/var/log/syslog. It's you can see your message inside syslog, and it shows us it's working properly. On the client side, send the message here, copy and paste this command on the command line, and then repeat the checking syslog by the next command, as you can see in the video. So this in the server side, we got message that we sent it, and in the machine that we sent message, we can get in the log server that we have already created it. So okay, it's finished actually here. See in the next video, and don't lose the next video by subscribing, and also leave comment for any question. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye for now.